It will be Christmas in the hospital for former President and incumbent Manila Mayor Joseph Estrada. Let's have the details of this report from Joy Gumatay.
Manila Mayor Joseph Estrada will be spending Christmas Day in the corners of a private hospital in San Juan City. According to his son, Senator J.V. Ejercito, they decided for him to stay in confinement even though his lung infection is already undergoing healing, so he may fully recuperate and gain back his strength for 2017.
May mga antibiotic siya. But siguro few more days, ayaw pa siya. Gusto na nga umuwi, kaya lang ayaw pa ng doktor.
Bakit po?
Siyempre, pneumonia yan eh. Na pag advanced age, medyo may edad ka na, hindi dapat, hindi biro ang pneumonia.
On behalf of the Estrada family, the legislator hopes Mayor Erap's friends will just include him on their prayers and express their sympathies over the phone instead of personally visiting him at the hospital.
Wala mo nang bumisita eh, kasi we might be carrying viruses, no? Yun ang kailangan niya, complete bed rest and to recover from the infection.
Furthermore, Senator J.V. shared that the doctor advised Mayor Erap, who is already 79 years old, to quit smoking and heavy drinking as such activities worsen his health condition. However, rest assured that Mayor Erap will remain hands-on to his city government projects, although he will need additional assistance from other city government officials. When asked about the possibility of former Senator Jinggoy Estrada to visit his recovering father at the hospital,
hindi ko alam. Kung payagan ng korte, malabo naman siguro. Kung wala namang motion, so hindi mo papayagan.
it can be remembered that former Senator Estrada is detained at Camp Crame since June 2013 for his alleged involvement to the 10 billion pesos pork barrel scam. For PTV News, Joy Gumatay.